Hello folks, welcome. This is Arun here. Today we'll be looking at how do we analyze digital marketing campaigns using Metric Pass. These are a series of videos that we have started doing based on the feedback that we received for our webinar. You can check out this webinar. We have like 3 folks talking about digital marketing landscape in the post-COVID world. You can see this video by clicking the link that is showing in the top right corner of this video. Moving on, the metric pass that we will be focusing today are impressions and impression share in search campaigns. Now, just to ensure that all of us are on the same page, we will start by understanding the definitions of these metrics. Advanced digital marketers, please bear with me for a few minutes. Impressions is basically is one of the most fundamental metrics in digital marketing campaigns, and what it measures is how many times your ad was shown. Let's say a particular user is searching for your keyword and your ad is shown for that, that gets counted as an impression. And if they keep doing it again the next day, that also gets counted. Similarly, the total number of times that your ad was shown is basically the impressions. And search impression share is a metric which gives you an understanding of the percentage of impressions that your campaign received compared to the total number of impressions that your campaign could have received. So we look at the total eligible impressions here. When we say eligible impressions, this kind of takes into account any budget constraints or any ad schedules that you have added to your campaigns. We do not have to get into those details now, but it's essential to have an understanding that this measures the share of impressions that you received against the total universal impressions that were available for your campaign to go ahead and get them. Now we'll take a problem statement. This is a kind of a problem statement which many digital marketers would have faced multiple times in their career. So basically, you have a particular SEM campaign targeting few keywords, and the impressions that you received from this campaign has dropped by 25% month over month. Now, when you start analyzing and want to dig deeper into this, usually we can kind of broadly classify the possible causes into two: external factors and internal factors. From an external factor point of view, the reason for your search campaign impressions going down could be that the total number of searches that are happening for that particular keyword is itself has gone down. So the number of people who are going into Google and searching for that keyword has reduced, and as a result, your campaign is also constrained and it cannot go ahead and get more impressions. Or it could be that competitor bids have increased and they are winning the auctions and showing up ads, and your ads are not showing up. As a result, your impressions have gone down. Similarly, internal factors could be that you have made changes to either budgets or bids at a CPC level, or you kind of change the CPA or ROAS targets that you are bidding towards, and as a result, your campaign impressions have gone down. Or you have made some targeting changes in terms of some keywords were paused, or you added additional ad schedules, like you stopped the campaign from running late in the night or on certain days of the week when your business is closed, etc. So all of these could be the factors. Now, how do you go ahead and find out which of these is the cause? That is where the relationship between impression and impression share helps. So fundamentally, we know that the impressions are down by 25%. That is on the left hand side. Now, what are the possible cases? The possible cases could be impression share has also actually gone down month over month, or it could be that the impression share has either remained consistent or it has increased month over month. We are clubbing those two because the kind of insights that we will derive, whether the impression share has remained consistent or it has actually increased, is going to be very similar. Now let's take the first case, right, where impressions are actually down by 25% and impression share has also gone down. So in this case, we are looking. The example data that we will be using is your campaign received 100,000 impressions in April with an impression share of 80%, and whereas in May it only has received 75,000 impressions, and the impression share metric that you are seeing in Google Ads shows us 60%. Now, how do we go ahead and analyze from here? If you remember, we saw that the way to calculate impression share is impressions upon total eligible impressions. Now this means when we have both the impressions and impression share data, we can reasonably estimate the total eligible impressions, and the formula for that will become impressions upon impression share. Now when you go ahead and do this, in this case what you are seeing is the total eligible impressions in April becomes 100,000 upon 80%, which becomes 125,000, and similarly in May it becomes 75,000 upon 60%, which leads to the same amount of total eligible impressions. Now I know practically it's rare that you will have this number matching exactly, but what essentially you will need to look for is if this number is consistent. Let's say there's only a few percentage points difference, and this gives you an indication that the total eligible impression has kind of remained constant. Now what does this mean? Going back to the factors that we looked previously, we saw that there could be these external and internal factors. Now let's go over them one by one, right? Whether searches have gone down, whether the total universe has gone down. We saw that the total eligible impressions has not reduced, which is a strong indication that the possibility of searches reducing across the network is actually very, very low. So we can actually rule out that particular cause. The next cause what we saw was competitor bids have increased. Now this is still a possibility. You still can't understand this dynamic by just looking at impression and impression share. You will need to go ahead and investigate your CPC trends and probably even look at auction insights to see how the competitor impression shares are trending. So this is still a possibility, but you have definitely ruled out the possibility that the total searches itself have gone down. Similarly, when we look at the internal factors, whether budget or bid changes that were made by you were the reason for this impression drop. Now you can investigate this further by looking at the total spend, or even actually directly looking at impression share lost as a metric which shows in Google Ads, lost due to budget or bid. And similarly you can also look at any changes that were made on budgets or bids, whether they have been made or not. Whereas that any changes with respect to targeting in terms of keyword changes or any additional ad schedules, the possibility of them being the reason for your impression drop is actually very low, because you saw that the total eligible impressions has remained consistent. So essentially what you have narrowed down now is you have narrowed down the possibility of either targeting changes or the total searches itself going down are very low. The only factors that could have now affected, which led to your impression drop month over month, is that either competitor bids have increased or these were actually result of some budget or bid constraints at your campaign level, and you can actually go ahead and start investigating in a focused manner now. Now we'll just look at the other case as well, where we saw impressions are down by 25%. That is the same, but your impression share has remained constant, right? Now, so essentially what the metrics that you're seeing in your Google Ads dashboard is that in April you received 100,000 impressions and the impression share was 80%, whereas in May you have received 75,000 impressions and the impression share is still about 80%. And going by the same formula of calculating total eligible impressions that we just saw, what you're essentially looking at is in April the total eligible impressions was 125,000, whereas in May that comes out to be close to 93 or 94,000. Right now what this means is your impression share has remained constant, but that is only because the total eligible impressions has itself come down. So although you are getting a smaller number of impressions, the overall pie itself has reduced, which has probably led to your impression drop as well. Now what does this mean to our analysis? Like in the previous case, now the possibility of the total searches having gone down, now that becomes a strong possibility because you are seeing a significant drop in the total eligible impressions. Now that becomes a strong possibility, especially when you have not made any further changes to either the ad schedule or at a keyword level. Once you have validated that, it is also probably makes sense to check Google Trends for some of the top keywords that you have within this campaign and ad group to know if actually there have been a fall in the total searches on Google. Now the competitor bids being a case is probably not the primary cause here. Now it is possible that this could have also played a part, but for the total eligible impressions itself to have gone down, this could not have caused that. Similarly, at an internal factor level, we can see that the budgets or bids wouldn't be couldn't be the primary cause for the total eligible impressions having dropped. Whereas if you have made, let's say, any keyword changes where you had, let's say, looked at some keywords are non-performing and decided to pause them, or if you added any restrictions on time of the day because your business is open only for certain hours, or you started adding any bid modifiers at a device level, excluded, let's say, mobile devices or laptops, desktops from the overall campaign. These are all the kind of changes that could have had the direct impact on the total eligible impressions, which seems to be the reason for your actual number of impressions dropping as well. So hope you guys had a good understanding of how the relationship between impressions and impression share works now, which can help us dig deeper into our campaign analysis, especially in kind of situations where we are seeing a significant drop at an impression level. Thank you, folks. That's it for today. If you guys like this video, do check out the channel and subscribe by clicking on the icon that is showing up now. Thank you, guys.